Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install MySQL in your Windows PC. Here you can see I am in a browser. You can go to your favorite browser and you just have to type here MySQL and press enter. Here you can see we have a bunch of different websites here. Okay, so go to the link MySQL and go to the download section here. Maybe you can come to this page, then you just have to go to the downloads page. Okay, and then go down a little bit, and then here you can see MySQL community downloads. Click here, and here you can see MySQL installer for Windows, right? You just have to click here, and you can see you have two options. So go for the MySQL installer community, and the size you can see 352.2 megabytes. Okay, so what can you do? You just have to download it, and okay, no thanks, just start my download. Click here. All right, so here you can see it's downloading, so let's just wait for the downloads and we'll be back. Okay. Welcome back. Here you can see I've completed the download. Now I will click on it, then it will actually prepare to install. And here you can see, please wait while Windows configure okay, so we just have to select yes. I don't know if you can see or not, so you just have to select yes. I mean a pop-up window like this. Okay, and here you can see time remaining 3 seconds. I mean the installer is okay, so yes, and okay, so now you can see it's installing, right? So here you can see we have server only, client only, full, custom. I'm going to select the custom. Next, I need the first one, MySQL server. So here I'm going to drag it like this. Okay, you just have to select it and then click on this button, green button, and you can see in the right side product to be installed. We can see the item actually we have dragged it actually here, right? Okay, now it done, and let's go to the application. Here you can see we have MySQL or MySQL workbench, whatever bench, whatever you say, right? So MySQL workbench 8.0. Here just select this item and then select this green button. Okay, then you can see it also added to be installed. And then the next one is MySQL shell. Okay, so just select this one 64 and then go here. Okay, so all done. We actually need this three product, and then click on the next and click on execute, and it will actually take time, so I will pause the video and I will be back. Okay, welcome back. Here you can see we have installed all the product here. Now click on the next and the next, and keep as it is, I mean the default. Okay, then go for the next, then next, and now select any password. So I'm going to select here a password that is, I'm not going to say you. Okay, so yeah, password is weak, but no problem. Then go for the next, then that's it. Okay, next. Okay, next, execute. May take a long time. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, and after completing all this step we will be back. So basically it didn't actually take too much time. So yeah, now you can see everything is done. Now we have to click on finish, and the next, finish. Okay, so I just have to go for the, okay, so here you can see MySQL workbench, and this is the local instance root. So here you just have to click here and you have to give the password. The password is this one. Okay, okay, so let's go. Let's here you can see we have administration and schemas. So basically schemas means that all the database, and here you can see by default database is this one. Let's say I want to create a database. So yeah, I will make a series video, so I will show you how you can create database, how you can create table, drop database, drop table, alter column, everything. Okay, so make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for the series tutorial and more videos. like PHP, web development related, JavaScript, Java, C++, okay, any kind of programming language related. So yeah, you can actually subscribe this channel, Data Visionary. So yeah, we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.